Is your Tesla app constantly connecting and disconnecting? You're not alone. This common issue occurs because the Tesla app depends on a stable internet connection to communicate with your vehicle. The primary causes are the vehicle's energy-saving sleep mode and network stability problems. When the car goes to sleep after inactivity, it disconnects non-essential systems to conserve battery power. Meanwhile, your phone's internet connection can be disrupted by weak signals, VPNs, or other network issues, leading to the repeated connect and disconnect cycles you experience. Watch how signal strength fluctuates. Strong connection allows stable communication, but drops cause the app to lose contact repeatedly. Understanding these causes, energy-saving sleep mode, and network instability is the first step toward fixing the Tesla app connectivity issue. Tesla vehicles are designed to conserve battery power by entering a low-power sleep mode after about 15 to 30 minutes of inactivity. This energy-saving feature helps maintain the vehicle's range and efficiency. During sleep mode, non-essential systems are disconnected to reduce power consumption. This includes Bluetooth connections for phone pairing and cellular links used by the Tesla mobile app. When you try to access the vehicle through the app, it needs to send a wake-up signal to reactivate these connections. However, weak cellular signals or network issues can interrupt this process, causing the app to repeatedly connect and disconnect. The wake-up process involves the app establishing communication with the vehicle's systems. If the signal is unstable, the connection may fail repeatedly, leading to frustration. To optimize connectivity, you can check and manage your vehicle's sleep settings if available. Look in the Tesla app under Vehicle Controls or on the vehicle's touchscreen under Settings to see sleep mode options. The Tesla app requires a stable internet connection through either Wi-Fi or cellular data to communicate with your vehicle. When your phone's connection is weak or interrupted, the app may repeatedly connect and disconnect from Tesla's servers. VPNs, which encrypt your internet traffic for privacy, can sometimes block or slow down the Tesla app's secure communication with the vehicle's servers. Firewalls on your network or device can mistakenly filter out the app's data packets, preventing stable connections. Mobile carriers may throttle your data speeds during high usage periods, causing the app to lose its reliable link to Tesla's systems. To diagnose issues, first check your phone's signal strength and connection type using the status icons. Make sure the Tesla app has unrestricted data access and background permissions in your phone's settings. For stable connections, temporarily disable VPN when using the app, ensure it's allowed through any firewalls, and monitor your data plan to avoid throttling. Mismatches between the app version on your phone and the vehicle's firmware can cause authentication failures. This leads to the connecting and disconnecting issue you're experiencing. Make sure both the Tesla app and your car's firmware are updated to the latest versions. Newer versions include keep-alive mechanisms that help maintain stable connections during vehicle sleep mode. First, let's update the Tesla app. Open your App Store and check for updates. Now, update your car's firmware. In the Tesla app, go to Software Updates and install any available updates. After updating both, restart the app and vehicle if needed. Notice how connection stability improves. The first quick fix is to force close and reopen the Tesla app. This clears any temporary glitches in the app's memory. Next, restart your phone to refresh all background processes and clear any network conflicts. Power cycle your Tesla by performing a soft reset. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black and restarts. Temporarily disable Bluetooth on your phone. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This can resolve interference issues. Check your phone's battery settings and ensure the Tesla app is not restricted by battery optimization features that might close background apps. Finally, check Tesla's official status page or social media for any known server outages that might be causing connectivity issues. For more persistent issues, try these advanced solutions. First, disable any VPNs you're using while accessing the Tesla app. VPNs can interfere with the secure connection. Ensure your home Wi-Fi network is strong and stable, especially if your car is parked within range. Weak signals can cause disconnections. If using cellular data, ensure you have a strong signal and sufficient data allowance. Poor coverage or data limits can disrupt the app. Consider whitelisting the Tesla app in your firewall settings, if applicable. This allows the app to communicate freely without blocks. Real-world examples demonstrate effective solutions. A suburban Model 3 owner fixed disconnections by disabling battery optimization on their Android phone and enabling unlimited data for the app, plus updating firmware to V12.4. This kept connections stable for up to 2 hours after vehicle sleep. An urban Cybertruck owner resolved issues by disabling their VPN during app use and restarting the vehicle's infotainment system. This network isolation reduced disconnections by 90%. In a corporate fleet pilot, outdated app versions caused 50% of connectivity issues. Mandating auto updates led to a 60% drop in support tickets, showing the value of keeping software current. These examples emphasize the importance of adjusting user-side settings and network configurations for reliable Tesla app connections. The future looks promising, with Tesla aiming for seamless always-on connectivity, potentially leveraging 5G and satellite networks like Starlink. Experts predict that app disconnections will become rare as Tesla's technology evolves, incorporating AI-driven fixes and predictive diagnostics. Elon Musk has stated that updates are making cars smarter about when to wake up, addressing past issues rooted in early energy-saving designs.